Stop telling yourself you're introverted or you were a born introvert. These labels don't really help you in your career. Let me tell you, in the 5th grade, I was the quietest kid in the class. The teacher thought I was stuck up. No, I was just really shy. In junior high school, I sold fewer magazine subscriptions than anyone else. We had to go door to door and sell things to raise money. I was the worst kid in Cub Scouts, selling birdhouses because I didn't like to talk to people. I was shy. Well, guess what? Last year, I made $1 million selling online courses on how to speak. Anyone can be anything they want at any time. If you want to be successful, you are going to be dramatically increasing your chances if you get over this idea of, oh, I'm an introvert and I can't speak to people. You can speak to people. You can speak in front of a video camera, you can speak to live audiences, you can speak one-on-one. Put the labels away. Instead, focus on how you can help other people. If you've got a product, a service, a passion you care about that will help other people, then talk to them about it. That's going to be the best way for you to help other people and yourself.